Okay, so today we'll be looking at a technique called arc sputtering. The basic concept behind sputtering is to take a material and break it up at its electronic level. So essentially we'll apply a force to it, and we'll make the electrons and protons essentially try to repel each other. And by doing that, we will break off small pieces of material from a target piece, and that usually with sputtering you will then deposit that essentially onto another material. So basically the chances are good that this film or this material that I'm using here, which is a copper plated vinyl film, was created using sputtering. So I'll be using arc sputtering to essentially break this up again. You'll notice that I'm quite jittery in this video, and that is mainly because I can literally feel the particles hit me through the glove that I'm wearing, and you know, that's a welder's glove. It's quite thick, and you know, I shouldn't be feeling anything. So you definitely want to take the right safety precautions before doing this type of experiment.